How to transfer ownership of a Google site. First, you want to share it with your personal email. Make sure that they can edit. Make sure that they get notified. Then press send. Go to your personal Gmail account and you should receive an invitation. Open the site. Once it opens up, click on the three dots and press duplicate site. And here you can change the name. After clicking duplicate, a black bar will show up at the bottom saying that copy has started. Check your email for updates. So go back to your personal Gmail account. You should receive an email that it's in progress and then another email saying it is ready. So click share with others just to check that you are now the owner. And then click done and you have successfully transferred your Google site to an alternate email address.